What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, as you saw in the title, I'm doing the front grille on my Civic. Got it over here. It's the basic eBay JDM style grille. I think it's from the SI or Type R, but I already got it all painted to match my car. I didn't record it just because I didn't want to, and it took forever. I messed up a couple times, but it looks good now. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to take that out and put this baby in. Alright, so I apologize for the noise. Got the heater going in here. It's like 40 degrees out, so I'm cold as shit. But to start off, we got 5 clips that you're gonna have to take out. So I'm just using a flathead to pry up on them.
What shot out?
Fucking clip.
Oh no.
From my fucking bumper. Alright guys, just had to watch a little video, but don't follow 1A Auto's video because his dumbass told me to, it showed him just pulling the grill, which is not what you're supposed to do. If you look down here, connected to the bumper is a little flat or Phillips holding in the grill. So you need to take those out first, and then there should be 3 down here. This is the proper way to do it. So take these screws out.
Look at the execution.
Swear to God. 1A Auto can kiss my fat ass. Fucking broke my tab. There you go. There should be one on this side as well. The way to take this off is you have to either, one, take the whole bumper off, or if you have small hands like me, you can reach through the bottom grill and then kind of pull back on this and line a screwdriver up and take the screw out. So there should be, I think there's 4 screws that you got to take out. So I'll show you all how I do this.
The absolute precision that's about to take place, you all. Look at how small the prongs are.
Make sure my tools are clean.
Yep, get your little hands in that slit, Joe.
Oh. I think I need to spit on it.
Can you feel her intestines?
Not enough lube, I don't think.
Here, let me help you.
Oh, nice. I just stuck a fucking screwdriver into my radiator. God damn it, come out. How fucking long is this damn screw?
One.
I really hope this fucking girl fits.
You're gonna do all this and have to get back in there and screw that shit back in.
I guess the clip should hold it in. Hopefully.
Hopefully being the key word.
It's probably gonna fit like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be flying this key up. Alright guys, just got the grill pulled out. Completely wrecked my arm. Doesn't
Remember guys, it's vertical for results, not horizontal.
I swear. But I got the grill pulled out. As you can see, I don't know if the video was wrong or if, because this car's been in a couple accidents, I don't know if these were installed wrong, but these screws were in the other way that the They're in the opposite way as the video was saying. So, I don't know. I had to reach through the bottom grill to get them out. But, got the grill out. Now it's time to see if our aftermarket piece of shit grill will fit. Hopefully it does.
Alrighty, the moment of truth, guys.
Alright. Old grill, new grill. Piece of shit. JDM fucking God type grill.
God
I
type,
swear,
bro.
on all these car mods, I'm gonna be pulling all the hose.
If you're a MILF and you're watching this video, Joe is awaiting in his Honda Civic.
Oh my God. That shit looks fucking fire, dude.
Ooh!
That looks fucking dope. I'm gonna shut the hood and see what it looks like.
That's pretty sick. It'll look a lot better once you have the headlights in.
Yeah. Channel doesn't know about that yet.
Sneak peek, guys. But no, the silver matches up pretty good though.
Yeah, get close.
Yeah. That's pretty fucking close, man.
Yeah. Silver's not easy to match. So
that's pretty fucking close.
Yeah, it looks really good for me. I'm not looking for fucking perfection, obviously. Got bubbled up paint, fucking rust.
Hey, she's a good little shit box though.
Okay, that probably took like 30 or 45 minutes of messing with it. But if y'all order one of these like cheap JDM style front grills, it does not fit like the OEM one. It doesn't, like the bolts and stuff, these screws, you don't use them. What you do on the bumper, there's like a little like 1/4 of an inch little lip, and on the grill there's some tabs. And the way we did it, I don't know if my bumper sags a little bit or if it's just how it is. The way I did it is I reached under on the bottom grill and pushed up, while my boyfriend Alex, he pushed the grill in so that the tabs would slide into the little lip, so that way you don't got to use the screws. But yeah,
beforehand it was a little bit, we snapped it in and it was kind of bouncing around a lot. Once you get those tabs in though, it's snug and doesn't really bob at all. So
yeah, it's in there now. It's not
that's
gonna
a lot
vibrate
better
or anything. But yeah, I'll give you all a little shot of it. Looks pretty sick if you ask me. I think I might take some paint thinner or something and get it off right there, because I did a little not too good of a tape job, I guess. But other than that, looks pretty freaking good compared to that jank thing. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I would like to say I had fun doing it, but I kind of didn't. I kind of like messed up my fucking arm and it wasn't too fun, but it looks nice. Just make sure y'all have your post notifications turned on so y'all can know whenever I post that. But got the grill in, car's looking good. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.